to the phonics safari! Let's find some animals. Hop in our safari jeep. We're going on an adventure to find some new animal friends. Look all around us. The jungle is full of wonderful sounds and sights. Look who is swinging from the trees. It is a monkey. Yeah! Say it with me. It is a monkey. Can you make the M sound? Say it with me. It is a monkey. Monkey. M is for monkey. Monkey. It's a snake. S is for snake. Great job! You sound just like a snake. Wonderful! Look over there in the distance. Someone else wants to join the safari. And look over there, stomping his feet. It's a TT tiger. Let's say the sound together. Tiger. Tap your knees like a tiger. T, T, T. T, T, T. Tap, tap. Tap your knees just like that. T, T, T. T is for tiger. Tiger. You are doing amazing, little explorers. Look who came to play. Our 3 special animal friends. Great job, little explorers. You learned your sounds so well today.